Hey everyone, Nancy Wethington here with something that I just got in the mail today, created by Marsha Bichler. She is one of the instructors that is going to be at my weekend of workshops in September. I'll post a link all about the weekend below in the YouTube information below. Marsha is a fabulous designer and uses mostly graphic 45, and since this particular class is going to take place towards the middle of September, she is doing this adorable book in Halloween in Wonderland, this very popular graphic 45 paper. And let me just show you a little bit. I'm going to try to get a little closer on this little miniature doorknob. I just love it. It's so cute. And then she used tags to do a closure for the book. I don't think I ever would have thought about doing this. It is just so cute. Let me open this up. Okay. I've done this 100 times, and now, of course, when the video is working, I do want you to notice that attached to the lock is a little key. So how cute is that for Halloween? All right, let's look at the inside of this. Beautiful. So here's a little magnetic tag. You can hear it clicking. You can put a little picture there. Little tea party sign. Then we have a little tuck behind and a belly band, so two cute things. And the way she has this design, every page in the book is a pocket page. But this is so cute. I'm going to take this out in a minute, but I want to show you how she does these. This is inserted in the pocket, but when you turn the page, it becomes a flip. So clever, huh? Isn't that cute? And then here is what we saw on the other side. Whoops! Let me put that back in. It just slides in. And then another tag for the Queen of Hearts. And then, of course, these two guys. And I love that she adds all these adorable graphic 45 tags and has each one decorated. And, of course, another insert and a flip. Every page has one of these. So adorable for Halloween. This tag is a pocket, and she's got several tags in here. I love this collection too. And then another insert. Here, this is about the expression that I've had today. I knew who I was this morning, but I've changed a few times since then. It's about how my day's been going today. You ever have one of those? And then Cheshire Cat tag. And then another tag behind a tuck behind, chipboard tuck behind, and then another insert. And then this one I think is so cute as well because she created a belly band with this, but a tiny little trifold. Isn't this adorable? I guess it's not a trifold, it was a quadfold. Sorry about that. Then another pocket, an insert, and a flip. Now, I don't know how many of you have taken Marsha's classes, but she is amazing. And if you've taken classes from me, please don't expect me to do what I'm going to tell you next. She pre-cuts everything. And I mean everything. She is amazing. So don't expect me to do that in my classes. I'm just saying, if you come to this class of hers, you will get all this pre-cut. This is a day class in September, and I'll put all the information for you. Or you can visit my blog. Isn't this great? And that is Marsha's book. So, not only will you be taking classes from Marsha, but you will be also taking classes that weekend from Donna Kauffman. And I've posted her video on my blog as well. And you'll also be taking classes, 2 classes actually, from Laura Doss, the creator of Button Farm Club. She'll be in town as well. So hope you can join us. Check out my blog, and I'll put the link in the information below this YouTube. Hope to see you then. Come on and meet us in St. Louis. Talk to you later.